let's try 5C on the practice test. So I have this thing, which I should, what? What did they ask me to do? Add it, right? Simplify, presumably. So what do I need to add fractions?
Common bottom.
A common bottom, right? So I should look at these and wonder what's the common bottom between 1 minus m squared, m plus 1, and what's the bottom on this one?
1.
Just 1. So this one I might think to myself, this is 2 over 1, just for safekeeping, basically. So what's the common bottom?
M minus 1 plus 1, because that's equals.
Oh, okay.
Or 1 minus m, 1 plus m.
Yeah, this is 1 minus m times 1 plus m. Right? Isn't that? Difference of squares. This is the same thing as like, do I need to worry about having an m plus 1 and a 1 plus m?
No, not really.
No, those are the same thing, right? That's just an order thing, and addition doesn't care about the order. You guys cool with that?
It's just like multiply it by -1, we don't switch around.
If I multiply it by -1, it'll put a negative on both things. If I just want to switch them around, I can literally just do that. Right? You don't have to do anything to this because 1 plus m and m plus 1 are the same thing. Right? So what does this guy need? Yeah, that guy needs an m minus 1. So I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to say this is 4m over 1 minus m times 1 plus m. And then I'm going to add, what did that guy need again?
1 minus m.
A 1 minus m. So it's going to get a 1 minus m on the top and
On the bottom.
on the bottom. And then I've got minus, what's my 2 need?
Both of them.
Both pieces. So how are you going to put that in? Okay. 1 plus m and 1 minus m?
Couldn't you just put it in as 1 minus m squared?
Yeah, certainly. I would actually recommend doing that on this one. And then on the bottom, you've got the same thing. So then what are you trying to do? You're not in the cancel step yet. So
Do the math.
Do the math.
Fraction out.
yeah, so here I've got a common bottom, right? So what do I do to add fractions when they've got a common bottom?
1 minus m, 1 plus m, and then put 4m plus 2 all on the same top line.
Cool. So you say, all right, this is the top of this one, plus the top of this one, plus the top of this one. Oops.
Minus.
Minus the top of that one. Why was that one minus?
Because it's a -2.
Because there was a subtract that thing, right? And then on the bottom, what have I got?
1.
And 1 plus m.
A 1 minus m and a 1 plus m. Now what should I be doing? What's my goal?
And from there, you get a bust out the parentheses, you distribute the 2 into the.
Yeah, you want to distribute the top, combine like terms, and see if you can get anything to cancel at the bottom, right?
Yes.
So to combine like terms up there, let's see, I've got a 4m plus 2 minus 2m.
And
Who else do that? And then minus 2 times 1 minus m squared over the common bottom. I'm just getting tired of writing that thing, right? And then I'm going to say, okay, that's 4m, wait. Can you combine some like terms right now?
yes, the 2 and the minus 2.
So those guys can go together, and this and that. Oh, wait.
No, you
You
can't
have to
reverse
converse.
that.
Nice try. Okay, but the 4m and the minus 2m can go together, right?
Yeah.
As
2M.
2m. And then I've got minus plus 2 minus 2 plus 2m squared. Did I lose you? Or did I screw up?
Screw it.
Well, you just
Because
factored
you
the 2
factored out the last one.
Say again.
No, you
So I combine this and this,
got it. You got 2M.
which I probably shouldn't have done because that was confusing maybe. And then I've got a plus 2, and then I distributed this negative 2 through. So I got a negative 2, and then a
Positive 2M.
positive 2m squared. So then what? This is all over the common bottom.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, now what can I stick together?
Two cancel each other out.
The 2's cancel.
I'm confused.
Where?
And upper stuff, like you have 1 minus m, I mean 1 plus m and 1 minus m, and then you got 1m squared. I don't think I got that.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah.
That's what those things were multiplied together. I just FOIL. The outside and the inside term cancel. That not where you're confused.
No, I get the bottom. I don't get the top. That's why I was.
It's literally the same thing.
That's right. Yeah. At the end there.
Right? I just multiplied these two things together.
Oh.
It is those two things.
I got it. Never mind.
They're in a slightly different order, and it's
No. Yeah, I got confused. Never mind. It makes sense now.
I think she was wondering why it was on the
It
2.
makes sense until. Because I got the same thing, just in a different order. So.
yeah, sure. Have I had it in a different order? It'll all work.
I was still thinking sheep.
Okay, fair enough. All right. So once I'm here, what do I do?
This one has a little star. This one has a little car.
Good. Out of the top, I can factor a 2m. What am I going to be left with? A 1 plus m. And my common bottom was 1 plus m times 1 minus m, right? Good. So you see this onesie, right? Drop this stuff, and you're left with 2m over 1 minus m. Cool.
That's so cool.
Questions, concerns, things? It's been a long day.
Yeah.
Fully understand that. I'm sure you're fine. Any other questions on this? Okay.